Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to generate organic leads. First, define your ideal customer profile. Understanding who you want to reach is crucial for effective lead generation. Identify their specific pain points and needs, then pinpoint where they spend their time online. Finally, research relevant keywords to guide your content strategy and attract the right audience. Next, focus on creating valuable content. Produce high-quality, informative pieces consistently that address your audience's questions. Optimize this content for search engines by using your researched keywords naturally. Explore different formats such as blog posts, videos, and infographics to appeal to diverse preferences. Also, ensure your website has a strong technical foundation for better search visibility. Once your content is ready, distribute it widely. Share your creations across social media platforms where your audience is active. Actively engage with people in online communities and forums, offering helpful insights. Start building an email list to communicate directly with interested individuals. Encourage your satisfied customers to provide reviews and generate user content, boosting your credibility. Finally, nurture your leads towards conversion. Continue providing value through your content, building trust and authority. Include clear calls to action within your content, guiding people on the next steps. Offer lead magnets like free guides or templates to capture contact information. Follow up with these leads through personalized communication, moving them closer to becoming loyal customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.